Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I edit my thumbnails. So I'm going to click Chrome because I'll be using PicMonkey again, and as you know, PicMonkey I can't use PicMonkey with Safari. So I'm going to go to designs. I'm just scrolling over, then just scroll down by just moving, because on the MacBook Pro everything we use the mouse for, so the mouse is also like a keypad or whatever. So I'm going to click custom and custom 1280 by 720. And remember, I told you guys that by clicking 1280 by 720 you don't get the black box, and whatever image you put in there, you see the full image. Now for my canvas over here on the left hand side, where you see me going up and down over here, I normally leave the canvas color to white. I don't usually go transparent. I'm going to click the butterfly, and then I'm going to click your own. Now you can go and experiment with you see right over here we have geometric hearts, doodly hearts, the ones with the crowns on them, because there's a crown here and a crown here at spirographs, and a crown at doily graphs hearts, sorry. That means that you have to purchase the app for I think $4 or something like so. So I'm going to look for pictures, and I'm going to go desktop, then new tut, because this tutorial is new. So I'm going to click that. Hold on, let me see. I'm going to click this one here, click open, hang on a sec, and there's the image that I'm going to pull from the fork from the corners here. This top one up here, you can toggle it to go wherever, yeah. So hopefully that's straight. So I'm going to pull up from the corner by just clicking my mouse, my keypad, clicking the keypad, and then just pulling with my other finger, right? I don't really like this tutorial, I don't know why I'm uploading it. I forget, sometimes I don't like tutorials, somebody always likes them, so I normally just upload them anyway. So this is the image. God, I look ugly. And I'm going to click eraser. Remember I told you guys the more I turn down the harshness, the more airbrush it looks, and I'm going to increase the eraser size. So, and you can see by just putting the circle over here, because you can see how big it is. Alright, that looks big enough, and I'm going to erase this. This is how people get those well, this is how I edit mine. Let me not say people. This is how I edit mine. Oh, it's lean. You see down here, it's like it looks staggered. So let me close that. See if I can straighten it. Alright, that looks straight. I'm going to pull this over, and then I am going to go ahead and make that big so that the picture covers all the white parts. Hold on, I'm going for Jonathan. Good. So the picture covers all the white parts. Bring this over some more. Oh my god, I'm getting a call. I have to wait. Alright, then I'm going to go back to your own, and then I'm going to scroll up to just looking for another picture. Hopefully not you guys are hearing that. Sorry guys. Let's go with that one. Open, and you see the overlay that comes up right here. It comes up because of the picture, so I can edit this picture. So I'm going to click this right here. My lips are so tacky. Then I am going to click the eraser, and the eraser stays as is, how it was before. And notice how it's not erasing the other pic, because the other pic is not highlighted. Alright, so I'm going to erase this here, and I'm going to close overlay, click the picture, and make it wider. Careful, Jonathan. Here. Guys are coming. Here. I don't like stopping these videos, because then I hate when I have to break them up. It's just a thing with me. I don't like stopping the videos. Hopefully you don't mind that my son is literally doing the back flick right now. So you can put them closer together, and I can select this picture by just clicking your two fingers on a mouse pad or keypad or whatever this is called. I'm doing it, nothing is happening. Great. And I can say send to back, and it goes to the back. Click it again, send forward, hold on, bring forward, sorry, and it brings it forward. So that's that. Hold on. Bring this over some more. Those contacts are nice. Bring this over some more. I want to make this a little bit smaller. I wish it was a little bit smaller. I wish it was a baller. Jonathan's on some mind. There. So I have a little bit of the Christmas tree short. Then I'm going to go back to your own. Then I'm going to click downloads, and in here I have, hey, there's the arrow. I have a logo that was made for me Dose of Hannah here on YouTube and on Instagram and on Snapchat. She made a logo for me, and I asked her to send me that the lyric Rochester only, and she sent it to me. Now it's just to find it. I don't know why. Let me click. I'm going to click up here so that it changes how I see my good. This is what I mean to say. It changes how I see my pictures, so it's easier for me to search. There it is. Hold on. See there? Hold on. Lyric Rochester. So I'm going to click open, and it's going to drop right there. Then I'm going to click it, and I'm just going to open it up, and then we'll laugh with it. And I'm going to just position this here. Then you guys know I love my stars. Hold on. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to click sparkle stars. Sparkle stars. Sparkle stars. I wrote a song, a sparkle stars song, when I was editing one of these. Now what I've been doing recently is I've been erasing these star thingies right here. So I'm going to click eraser, and I'm just going to erase these right here and just leave that one lonely star up there, which is probably not cool, but that's what I like. Bam. Pretty, huh? So I'm gonna put one right here, and then I'm going to go back again and add, click to add, then erase, turn down the eraser size. I'll just erase it from here, and then close it. Hold on, then close it, then click back here, and then make it bigger. You make me stronger. And then I'm going to come down here. Oh, put it right here. Then I'm going to get a bigger one and put it in the middle, hunty. Right here, boo. Right there, hunty. Yes, queen, work. And I'm going to erase these stars again. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can make it stay. But that's what I'm going to do. So erase it. Close the overlay. Click the star. And make it a little bit bigger. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I wish it was a bigger. Alright. Positioning it right in the center. Then I'm going to click save. And I save all my thumbnails as thumbnails. Look, like I suppose it has thumbnails, and then I get crazy with the last word, the last letter. That's how I spell nails. But who cares? This is my laptop. Okie dokie. Downloads. Yes, hunting. Then I'm going to go to my YouTube, and I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. Clicking my YouTube, and you guys can see who I'm subscribed to. Maddie Santaro, my Negro. By the way, a lot of people are saying, oh, this is home. This is, must click my subscription so you can see who I'm subscribed to. A lot of people are very offended by the word. When I say the word nigga or negro, I'm sorry. It's just not that. It doesn't mean the same to me as it does to you. So I'm sorry if I've offended people. I'm going to click my channel, and I'm going to click my video manager. And then I'm going to see right here. I'm going to click edit. Thumbnail. Click thumbnail. And I'm going to go to downloads because that's where it was saved to. Jonathan. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thumbnails. Here we go. Thumbnail is the. Let me see which one. Which is which. There we go. Click choose, and it comes up plot out. So you see, you have no black. Let me make this bigger. You have no dark, no black right here, no dark here. No, you get the full image is what I'm saying. That's why 12, remembering the 1280 by 720 is a must, because you don't want to get in the black bars, you don't want to get the full image. Save changes, all changes saved. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to refresh the page. Hopefully it comes up, because sometimes it doesn't. And there are my thumbnails, and I can see my video schedules. By the time this goes up, you'd have already seen all of these, but these are my thumbnails. And I made all my thumbnails on PicMonkey. Even this one, this 30-inch one, and this one right here. All my thumbnails are made on PicMonkey. Every single one. And my handbrake is jumping because my video is ready. Alright, so that's it, you guys. Let me close the minimize because I'm going to use that. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I'm glad you guys are loving these Tech Tuesdays. So, you know, shout outs. Bye, guys. Alright, guys. So, hopefully I'm speaking loud enough for you. So, I'm going to show you guys how I edit my thumbnails. And how I do like PicMonkey stuff. So, I'm going to go and I'm going to find my Safari and show you guys that in Safari,